Hello everybody, I started this video a year ago. I made this guitar neck and uploaded part of it, but never put it up public. So I'm going to go ahead and finish everything out. Did have some sound files missing, so toward the end, I'm sorry for the thumping in the camera and stuff. So I had to go straight from the camera instead of my voice recorder, which is much better. This is going to be about 22 part series. From beginning to end, each video will be anywhere from 5 minutes to 15 minutes, depending on the video and what's being done. It'll be a step-by-step of how I build a guitar neck. At the end, I'll show you the guitar that it's put on. I did have a couple of video files missing, so putting the nut on and installing on the guitar is missing, but you'll see the guitar and maybe get to hear it. So I hope you enjoy these. Hope you don't get too bored going step by step through all these videos. That I did it this way to keep it shortened a little bit, not make a really long video. And that way you get to go through a little at a time. So thanks for watching, and let's get on with part number 1 in the playlist. I wanted to show you how to make a guitar. I'm going to make little videos and steps and send them to you a little at a time. So what I need to do is take this board, or a piece of this board, and turn it into this. Now this board will be all of this back part. This part here will be out of a separate board. It's going to be a different wood, so I can make it prettier. So the first thing I'll need to do is take this board here and measure how much of it I need to cut off. So let's just lay it up here on my workbench. And get you turned around here so you can see this. So I want to leave myself a little extra on each end for a machine to work with. So first thing I want to do is find out how long it's going to be, find where I want to cut it. So I'm going to cut it right there where that pencil is, where that mark. So now I will take it down to the table saw and cut it off and show you that. So first thing I want to do is cut it to length, of course, and the mark, and I'm going to use this saw right here to cut it. Won't take but a second. And let's give you a good look at how this saw will work. There we go. So I'm going to line my mark up there that I made with my pencil. I'm just going to set it where the saw is going to cut right about at that mark. Like that. I'm going to hold it down and straight and just cut it in half. So now I've got it cut to the length I need it. So now I got to take and make it flat. Where see all this rough is, it's got to be flat and smooth on at least one side right now. Because it might have, if you lay it flat, have a little tilt in it or something like that. So this next machine will flatten it out. Now this next machine is called a jointer, and it'll flatten this out, and I'll show you what it looks like. This thing here, but this board if you can see is wider than this, so I got to cut it so it's not wider. It has to be It won't cut it right if it hangs over. It has to be no wider than this. So what I'll have to do is take this and mark it. Let's see, where'd my pencil go? I will take a mark and I'm just gonna mark underneath so I can see where my mark was. Okay, yep, okay. Now, so what I'll have to do, I'll take it over to this table and make it not as wide.